Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cool toned smoky eye for you guys. I really hope you like it. I'm going to be using the ABH palette, and I don't do cool tone eyes that much. I feel like people always ask for cool tones in palettes, but nobody uses them that much, so I decided today that I kind of go in a different direction than I usually do, which is either warm colors or crazy bright colors. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I really like the way this turned out, and if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. First, I'm going to be going in with my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector Cream. And I'm just going to take the smaller end of my dual, this is my Airbrush Flawless Complexion Push from It Cosmetics. And I'm just going to dab some of that lightly right underneath my eyes. Just a little bit, otherwise this can get really crepey on me and then it creases. So I like to keep this light. And then I like to use my ring finger after and then tap it out under my eyes just to warm it up a little bit. It is a little bit of a sticky product, so it works better once it's warmed up with your finger. I don't like to go in with it just with my finger right away. I like to add just a little bit with my brush and then tap it out. For me, it just works that way. I don't really like dipping my finger into the clean product right away if I don't have to. Foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation. Going in again with the other side of that brush. I like to buff it in first a little bit with the brush. Then I like to go in and tap it out with my Beauty Blender. I don't really like this foundation a whole lot, but I'm trying to use it up and pan it out before I go in and get any new foundations. I'm trying to save up money, shop my stash. It's not a bad foundation, it's just a little bit more on the dry side, and I like my foundations to be more on the dewy side. I don't mind a light coverage, but the problem with this one is that it's not liquidy enough for me to spread, so that's why I go in with my Beauty Blender, and then I kind of push it in and move it around. Concealer, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Just dab a little bit of that under my eye, and then I have this pimple over here, so I'm going to dab just the tiniest bit right there. Gonna take my sponge again, tap that out. I'm going to take a little bit more concealer and dab just a little bit on my eyelid, just so I can prime them. For setting powder, I'm going in with my Cover FX Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to apply that with my sponge. Alright, I did my brows off camera because I'm just not good at doing brows and they're slightly awkward because of chemo right now, so sorry about that. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Blonde. For eyes, we're going to be using the ABH Sultry palette today, and I'm going to be going in with the cool tones. Alright, first I'm going to be going in with the shade Fresh. And I'm just going to go inside my crease, just to kind of set it and give me a transitional color Sometimes working with cool tones, it can get a little muddy if you're not careful. So I like to set it, that way it's easier to blend out the shadows. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shade Twig. I just want to start off small and then we'll go in after and blow it out more. But when working with colors like this, I think it's easier to just kind of pack the color in there and then smoke it out. Alright, taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to start kind of buffing that out ever so slightly. Next, we're going in with this dystopian shade. I'm going to take a little flat shader brush and I'm going to add that right here. I'm going to add it a little bit to the edge so we can kind of create a little bit of a halo eye. So we're going to be going in with the shimmery shade in the middle. This is definitely going to look messy before it looks nice. I'm not going to put too much right here, I'm just putting a little bit just to give it a little bit of depth. I'm going to apply most of it right here to the outer corners. Next, I'm going in with this shade right here, Cinder, and I'm just going to take that on my finger and then place it right here. Going a little bit towards the inside, but mostly focusing it right here on the middle of my eyelid and pressing a little bit towards the corner. Just like that, it's such a pretty shadow. Going back in with the dystopian shade, pushing it right there on the edge just to darken it up a little bit. If you want, you could use black, but I like going in with this really, really dark, cool brown. Going with a little tiny pencil brush, I'm going to go in with that shade Twig. And I'm going to put that right underneath my lash line, very lightly, just because this is a very strong color. But we want to make this very smoky. I'm not dragging too much to my inner corner. I'm just letting it sit mostly right here on the outer edge and then towards the middle. And then once it's almost completely off my brush, then I'm going in just a little bit towards right here, just so it's seamless and it's not just a harsh starting right here from my lash line. I always like to put a highlight in my inner corner and my brow bone, so I'm going to be going in Artist Couture. This Illuminati shade is a good color because it's more of a neutral gold, so I can put it in here without it clashing with the rest of the eyes. If I put a warm gold in here, it would clash just because these browns are so cool. It wouldn't clash too much, but if you have a more neutral or cool tone gold, definitely go in with that. Alright, and now I'm going to put lashes and I'll be right back. Eyes are done. I really like how this turned out. I don't do cool tones that often, and you know, there's moments where I think I should do them more just because I do like the way it is. I mean, it's definitely more of a grungy, like nighttime smoky eye look that I always go for, but it's still like, it's very complimentary. I think a lot of people think they can't pull off cool tones because they'll pull like too gray or too dark. You know, I think they work for more people than they realize, and I just really like this look. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm not going to go with blush just because my pink's already kind of peachy, and also I don't have any very... Coda's hyper. I don't have any cool tone. Why? Stop breathing so hard. I don't have any cool tone blushes, so I'm not going to go with any blush. Plus my cheeks are already pretty rosy, so I think it'll be just better if I don't go on the blush. Otherwise, all the ones I have are so light and rosy and pinky and corally, so I just think I'm just going to leave it as it is. Alright, I'm going to set my face with my Anastasia Dewy Set. Ooh. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Becca Moonstone. And because my skin's been so dry today, I normally go in with a brush, but I'm actually going to go with my beauty sponge. Just because my skin is dry, and I realized when I was doing my eyes, I couldn't figure out why my skin felt so flaky. And because I don't really like this foundation that much, but it doesn't tend to be that dry and patchy on me, and I realized I didn't go with the primer, so good one on me today. I'm just going to push this right into my skin. We're gonna go for a more glow from within moment today just because the eyes are so grungy. I don't want to overdo it and go over the top with like a blinding gold highlight. You can if you want to, but I'm not going to today. I'm just gonna push this in. You guys are going to be so shocked at me today. I'm actually going to wear a lipstick. This is more of a brown based nude, and so I think it will pair actually really nicely with this eye. It's like the one that I have that doesn't drive me crazy because it's a lipstick. I'm going in with this Clinique creamy nude color. And I'm definitely not going to put a lot. I'm going to be a little bit conservative with it. Alright, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like the eye look. I definitely like the eye look. It's definitely more grungy, and it's smoky, and I just really like it. It's a look I don't do as often, but I really think I should because I just really enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. If there's other video ideas that you want to see, please leave a comment down below, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Thank you.